So hey guys, we are back at the same location but to discuss about the camera review that was requested the most for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let's start this camera review right here after this word from our sponsors. But we literally don't have any. Hey guys, Avneet here from Tech Milestone. I cover technology in this episode, and today we are gonna cover up the camera's review of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. The camera that has 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor with a dual LED lights. Also, in this video I want you guys to first smash the subscribe button, make the red button go gray, and press the bell icon so that you get notified about the new videos. And guys, please turn this video quality to the most possible highest available if you guys can, so that you can see the crisp details of the every image that has been clicked. Also, there's a link in the description about all the high resolution pictures that we showcased in this video, so that you can compare it yourself and watch it out. So let's go. Talking about the camera setup, we have the 64 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. So the very first photo that we have from the macro camera is about this key. This is a car key that has been shot from very closely, and even you can see the detailing in the table, and as well as on the key. You can even go anywhere in this picture. You can zoom in and check it out that each and every detail has been captured very well by the macro camera coupled up with other cameras setup. So to talk about this picture has certainly to do about the detailing. It has been shot in low light, so you can even see that the color grading that has been done on the blackboard has been captured very well, almost like a professional DSLR. If we talk about the portrait shot, this portrait shot on a bouquet of flowers has been a great performance. You can see that how the edge detection has been so crisp to blur out the background. Also, you can see that there's light coming from behind. Still, the picture was amazingly captured by this device. So this next picture of a flower pot has been captured against the light, but still maintains all the details and colors much better than other smartphones. You can even zoom in to find out that even the sand that's little bit there, smallly visible, is clearly in detail. Also, the books and magazines kept behind, their names can be read. So this one of this pot, it is one of my personal favorite because it captures the various colors of the leaves very well. Also, the wood desk has been captured very well. Now this picture has certainly much more greenery in it, and a very different shades of greenery. So now if we zoom in much into it, still it maintains the quality and the crispness and maintains all the edges out there. So the next one has been the same leaves on a macro shot. The macro shot was able to even get into the punch hole details of the leaves. You can see that even a minor detailing has been captured very well. So next one is out of a street. This street has very vehicles parked in. So even if you zoom in, you can see that a far away petrol pump about 700 meters away from this location has captured the details and pricing as it is and is clearly visible. So next ones that are captured at the same place, changing the little bit of the camera angle. There was some dirty waste out there, but I wanted to capture this thing just because about the detailing. So even if you see that in this garbage and the leaves, every detail about a plastic tape fallen there, you can read out the company name from there in this picture. So it's so well close. So if I talk about the selfie camera portrait mode is much better with its beautify removed, and the detailings with the hair has been always been amazing of this smartphone. So another macro shot that I took was of an ant. The ant is clearly visible, and even if you zoom in you can count the legs of the ant. That's the detailing that it got. It zoomed so well and so close enough that you were able to see much more. The next one is of some of the peas that have been put there by some bird. So I just wanted to know the details about what it is, because from a normal eye it wasn't visible or make sure what it is. So I zoomed in, took a picture, zoomed in to know what it is. So it is some kind of dry fruit that the bird has brought with him. The next picture is shot in the evening when the sunset has taken place. It is after sunset, and you can see still the camera manages to get the details of far off places. So the next one was also shot from a different angle and to much more far away places and focused there. You can even see that the faraway car that's parked out there, a normal eye will see it as very small, tiny particle. But still, with this picture, you are almost able to read. I don't say that exactly read because the focus was not as exact, but you are able to at least read little bit of the number of the car. Next one's again a macro shot of a leaf out there. So the leaf is not in a good position that I was able to feel after I clicked the picture. I touched it and feel that it wasn't a good leaf, but it was much more clear with the picture as well. A few more shots, and this particular shot that I am showing you guys is in complete entire darkness when there's no sun, no light source available, and it's in the night mode with the stability of the hand, a normal stability, not a much greater one. So even in this you can read out all the numbers that's available of all the cars parked out there. This picture is clicked in entire darkness, not even a single tint of light was there, and clicked in the night mode. Undoubtedly it is not that well crisp or a clear image, but in entire darkness it is much more better than what a smartphone camera can perform in entire darkness. So next one is a selfie that I edited out, and you can see the background. This is a portrait mode. Detailing has been crisp, even my face, my skin pores are visible. It is so clear. So few more shots in the entire darkness, and still against light, and even against light, and managed very well. Hey, so guys, so I'm ending this video right here at the place we started it off. So check out this Saturday for an amazing tech update, and see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and watch out our unboxing if you haven't done yet for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. It's coming right here, and the subscribe button right here, and an amazing video right here. See you guys until next time. It's Amazing signing off. Goodbye.